Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an Audi A6 headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a T25 Torx driver and a flathead screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, open the hood and easily locate the two retaining screws positioned on top of the headlight assembly. These are your starting points for this straightforward process. Now, let's detach the old headlight. With your T25 Torx driver, carefully unscrew the two retaining screws you just located. Once loosened, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward approximately 2 inches. This slight movement provides crucial access to the electrical connections. Next, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its tab, and then unclip any smaller wiring harnesses attached to the unit. This frees the old headlight. Installing your new headlight is just as simple. Begin by securely connecting all the electrical plugs to the corresponding ports on the new headlight assembly. Ensure each connection clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the new headlight into its designated housing, making sure it sits perfectly flush with the vehicle's bodywork. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two Torx screws you removed earlier, securing the assembly firmly in position. You're almost done. Before you hit the road, perform some crucial final checks. Turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight's functionality, ensuring both high and low beams operate correctly. Next, verify proper beam alignment. Park about 25 feet from a wall and check the light pattern. For optimal performance and a balanced aesthetic, consider replacing both headlights simultaneously. This ensures consistent light output and a uniform appearance for your Audi A6.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.